Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. A simple guide to truck warranties and service plans you can rely on. Owning a truck is a big investment, and protecting that investment is key. That's where warranties and service plans come in. These safeguards help cover unexpected repairs and routine maintenance, saving you money and stress down the road. Whether you're a new truck owner or looking to upgrade your coverage, understanding these options is essential to keep your truck running smoothly and your budget intact. What is a truck warranty? A truck warranty is a promise from the manufacturer or dealer to repair or replace specific parts of your truck if they fail within a set period. Think of it as a safety net, offering peace of mind to truck owners by covering certain costs related to unexpected issues. Warranties help you avoid hefty repair bills during the initial ownership period, ensuring your truck stays operational without breaking the bank. Types of truck warranties. Truck warranties aren't one size fits all. They come in different forms to cover various truck components. Here are the most common types. Basic warranty, bumper to bumper, covers most parts of the truck, excluding wear and tear items like brakes or tires. It's comprehensive but limited to a certain time or mileage. Powertrain warranty focuses on the core systems like the engine, transmission, and drivetrain. This warranty tends to last longer than a basic warranty since these parts are critical. Corrosion warranty protects against rust damage to the truck's body or frame. Coverage often depends on the type of corrosion. Cosmetic rust is usually excluded. Each type has its unique scope, so understanding these options ensures you know what you're getting and what isn't included. Measurement of warranty terms. Warranties don't last forever, and their limits are measured in two specific ways. Time, years. Warranties often span a fixed number of years, such as 3, 5, or even up to 10 years. Mileage. Coverage ends after you reach a certain mileage, such as 36,000 or 100,000 miles. For instance, a 5 years, 60,000 miles warranty expires once you hit either limit, whichever comes first. It's important to consider your driving habits when evaluating a warranty. If you drive long distances frequently, you might reach mileage limits faster than calendar deadlines. What is covered under a truck warranty? Truck warranties typically cover a wide range of systems and parts, but specifics depend on the type of warranty. Here's what's usually included: engine and transmission, essential for powertrain warranties, covering parts like the crankshaft, pistons, and gear shifts. Electrical systems includes items like the battery, alternator, and onboard electronics. Air conditioning and heating. Repairs to the HVAC system are often covered under a basic warranty. Suspension components. Parts such as shocks, struts, and axles can fall under warranty in certain plans. Paint or rust repair. Corrosion warranties typically handle rust through issues. These warranties don't cover day-to-day maintenance, but they can save you from sudden and expensive repairs. Limitations and exclusions of warranties. While warranties are helpful, they have limits. Understanding what isn't covered prevents surprises later. Here are some common exclusions. Wear and tear items. Things like tires, brake pads, and windshield wipers are usually excluded. Regular maintenance. Oil changes, tire rotations, and similar upkeep tasks fall under your responsibility. Damage from accidents or misuse. If the truck suffers damage from neglect or an accident, warranties typically won't apply. Aftermarket parts. Using non-manufacturer or aftermarket parts might void your warranty in many cases. Warranties also require you to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for maintenance. Skipping scheduled services could leave you without coverage when you need it most. Understanding the coverage, terms, and limitations of a truck warranty ensures that you're prepared to handle repairs and protect your investment. Service plans for trucks. When it comes to keeping your truck in top shape, a service plan can be a lifesaver. These plans are designed to cover the regular upkeep of your vehicle, ensuring it stays on the road longer and operates efficiently. Unlike warranties, which address unexpected repairs, service plans focus on planned maintenance tasks that every truck needs over time. Let's break down what's included, the costs, and how to pick the right one for you. Components of a service plan. A truck service plan typically includes essential maintenance tasks. These aren't just optional extras, they're the core routines that keep your truck running smoothly. Common components include regular maintenance checks, comprehensive inspections to spot potential issues before they become major problems. Oil changes ensures your engine stays lubricated and performs at its best. Tire rotations and alignment keeps your tires wearing evenly, extending their lifespan and improving safety. Filter replacements includes air, fuel, and cabin filters to maintain efficiency. Brake inspections ensures your brakes are in good condition to avoid future costly repairs. Some service plans even cover additional perks, such as roadside assistance or discounted parts, but these vary by provider. Cost of service plans. The cost of a service plan isn't fixed, it's influenced by various factors. For instance, truck model and age. Newer trucks may have lower costs due to fewer immediate maintenance needs. Older vehicles might require more frequent servicing. Service coverage. Plans that include extras like towing or extended maintenance checks can come with a higher price tag. Driving habits. Trucks used for heavy hauling or extensive commuting may have pricier plans due to increased wear and tear. Provider. Manufacturer-backed plans or third-party options can vary significantly in price and scope. While the upfront cost might seem significant, the value often outweighs the expense. You're paying to avoid sudden out-of-pocket costs and to maintain your truck's performance. That's it for Part 1. Now that you've got a solid understanding of truck warranties, make sure to stick around for Part 2, where we'll dive into the best service plans available and how to find the right one for your needs. Stay tuned. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.